Hello guys, welcome back, and this is gonna show here how to start to fix uh, packet loss in Valorant. And this is about to help you guys in this video to really know about this kind of thing real quick. So write code. All you need to do is about to start follow this video. To start to fix the issue of the packet loss, that's gonna really give you a strategy or some things that's about to be really satisfied on going on that. All you need to do is about click here on right top corner, just to start to click on settings. Then scroll down here. As you can see, now you have on the last settings, which is about to be ready the network. We can actually start to click here on network buffering and then starting to click on maximum. This is going to really help a lot to start to fix the buffering if you can. This is all about here to see whenever you want to make it maximum. You can make it moderate for stability between okay, maybe making it a medium range, but in maximum if you have very good PC and but you have this problem, or maybe I mean high end PC, not all low end PC. Maybe low end PC also can make it maximum. Maybe moderate can help a little bit, but maximum in the end for all PCs are really good.